In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Contour tool in Affinity Designer. The Contour tool is a quick, precise way to create evenly spaced outlines or insets around any vector object. It's perfect for badges, icons, stickers, and polished interface elements, and it saves you from manually redrawing paths. By the end, you'll understand what it does, where to find it, and how to adjust it confidently without guesswork. Start by opening Affinity Designer on your computer. If you see the new document window, choose a preset that fits your project, or just accept the default to get a blank canvas. The Contour tool works on vector shapes and curves, so a simple new document is all you need. Make sure you're in the designer persona so the standard vector tools are visible on the left toolbar, and keep your layers panel open so you can easily confirm what's selected. Next, click on a shape. In the toolbar, pick any basic shape, rectangle, ellipse, star, polygon, whatever suits your practice run, and click and drag on the canvas to draw it. Don't worry about the perfect size yet. You can always resize with the Move tool later. A visible fill and stroke can help you see the effect, but they're not required. The most important thing is that your shape is selected before you move on, so you'll apply the contour to the right object. Now click the Contour tool on the left. When it's active, you'll see a handle appear on or near your selected shape. Click and drag outward to expand the contour and create an even offset around the object, or drag inward to create an inset that shrinks uniformly toward the center. This keeps your edges consistent even around corners without distorting the original geometry. Watch the live preview as you drag so you can stop at a value that feels balanced for your design. For precision, use the numeric field in the context toolbar to type an exact contour amount. If you're working with corners, explore the join options there too. Round joins soften corners, miter keeps sharp points, and bevel trims them at an angle. If sharp corners start to spike, lower the miter limit or switch to round or bevel for cleaner results. You can also fine-tune the contour direction to favor an inner or outer fill as you drag, ensuring spacing looks correct next to neighboring objects. The best part is that this adjustment is non-destructive, so you can revisit and tweak the amount at any time. When you're happy with the look, simply switch back to the Move tool and continue designing. That's all there is to creating clean, scalable contours in Affinity Designer.